Share with you guys a quick grocery haul for what I got this week. We got a couple meats already in the refrigerator, and we plan on doing stuffed shells. So I have some Italian sausage and some ground turkey here, and this is from Aldi's. I have my ginger ale that I love from Aldi's, my sour cream, some orange juice, no pulp, pulp-free from Aldi's, apple juice. This lemonade is so good. They usually have pink lemonade, but they didn't have it, so I just went with the regular, which is still very tasty. And I got some cream cheese. Why? Because I'm going to be mixing that with my salsa that I'm going to tell you about. Got some onions, some peppers, some more mayo. I went to the Asian market and I got these little snacks. Rizzy and I love these. I like the strawberry. She liked the vanilla, so I'll surprise her with those when she come home. Got 2 each. The cream cheese I want to mix with this. I never tried this black bean and corn salsa, so I want to see how that is. This is one of their specially selected brands, and I love Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, but this actually tastes quite like it, and it's much cheaper. I think this is like $1 maybe. I don't think it's even that much, but Baby Ray's was like $2.89. Then I got these 2 pasta sauces for my stuffed shells, which actually I'm going to be doing manicotti, however you want to say it, shells instead of stuffed shells, because I couldn't find the big shells. So yeah, I got 2 of those. I got a condensed milk for a dessert that I'm going to be making. I got some whole wheat bread, which is really soft. And I got a kiwi strawberry and a cherry. She has one more from the ones that I get from Sam's. I usually get the 4-pack of the Capri Suns from Sam's, but these are really tasty, especially the cherry. That's my favorite. I got some grapes from there, and I also got some finely shredded Italian cheese. That's from Walmart. I got some Big Dipper tortillas for my salsa from Aldi's. I got the manicotti shells from Walmart. I got some garlic bread with garlic seasonings on it for 50 cents because I'll be making that tomorrow from Walmart. I got some ricotta for my stuffed shells, some cherry juice for my hubby, and I got some chicken wings. We're doing fried chicken wings, probably some fries tonight. That's something simple. Oh, I don't know if we got enough potatoes. Maybe sweet potato fries. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So that's what I got. And I also got a mug for Naya. This was like $2 something at Aldi's. It's a nice size mug. She's always using my Hollywood mug. And I know I got rid of a lot of my mugs. I kept my Hollywood mug and I kept my graduation mug from 2002 from college. And so, yeah, I'll definitely need to get her own mug, because when I come to use my mug, even though the graduation mug is in there, she will not use it. She wants to use my Hollywood mug. Let me show you guys. So literally 2 mugs, this one and that one, but she always grabs this one, so now she has her own mug. Y'all know I minimized all the glasses and stuff, so I only have 2 small, 2 big, just a little bit of everything, not too much in here, and that's it. So yeah, that would be her little surprise that'll be sitting on her bed. And then I'll put these on RIZZY'S. I like to do little special stuff for them and have little things that they didn't think I paid attention to for them, and I thought this was cute. Naya's favorite color is green as well. She likes like more like olive greens and celadon green like this. So yeah, that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. And guys, I literally bought a new charger for both laptops. One of them worked, the other one wouldn't turn on, and I got it and I upgraded my Windows 10, and literally it just has not been cutting back on. So I may have to take it to someone because I just can't spend no more money on a computer, which you already know. If I didn't tell you, I bought a whole Chromebook, and I've been trying to edit on that, and it's just too much. And I had to buy all these different accessories, and I'm just, I'm over it. So I'm going to be more than likely taking that Chromebook back. Sending it back to Amazon and get my money back from that, and just probably paying to have somebody clean up this computer, my older computer, because the software that I like to use is on there, and go from there. So I will be doing videos like this. A lot of y'all like unedited videos anyways, and it actually is more easier to take it right from the camera straight to YouTube. But when they're longer videos, like I made cheesecake bars, and it was like a 13-minute video, because all I can do is just keep pausing my camera as I go to the next step to show you guys to get everything in. I can't speed up or nothing, so it's kind of difficult, but I'm gonna try to do what I do to get, do what I can do to get videos out to you guys still. But I'm noticing the views are kind of weird. So I don't know. It's kind of frustrating seeing the views kind of go down. I don't know what's going on, guys. Maybe it's just because school started. People don't have that much time to watch YouTube, or I don't know. But it is frustrating when you're a content creator trying to create content and the views are like really low, and you put in your time and energy to get content out, and you have a life as well. So I don't know. Maybe it will just stick to being this way. I have no clue. But some things I like to shorten, so editing is great for that. But other than that, I guess we shall see, guys. And I will talk to you guys later, Gators. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week.